Hello again, Choro-Q collectors. So I have 4 more Nissan Skylines to enter the collection. And let's take a look here in chronological order, I guess. This looks like the oldest one here. I did pull up an image. I think this is, well, it says RS Turbo on it. Nothing on the bottom, and I think the sticker must have fallen off the back. But yeah, look in the front end, it looks pretty similar, or trying to be similar. It's got the horizontal grille and coupe. Okay, well, whatever. It's not, I mean, it's a cartoon car, so let's take a look at what kind of details are on this thing. So unfortunately, I don't know how old this is because it doesn't have the usual bottom you see on these things. It seems to be a two-part body, which is nice. You know, the bottom half is like a gunmetal color, and then the top is a black gloss, and it's got this RS Turbo Tambo printed on there. It's got the antenna there, a little plastic piece, and then the greenhouse is all like a smoked plastic. I think it's a separate piece too. Yeah, I mean, I can get my pick under there. So it's actually 3 pieces to make this body. No taillights though, unfortunately, no graphic there. So a pretty basic paint scheme, but actual decent amount of molded parts and stuff. All right. The next one, I think this is an R32, and let's take a look here. We got some weird stickers on there. Edamame beans, so that's a weird one. I don't know if that belongs in this vehicle or if maybe some kid put this on here. But I'm sure this belonged on it originally. It's like a sticker here for Skyline. It's also got a chunk missing, so I think this must have been played with by someone. Oh, well, this is cool. I've never seen molded Dunlop on any of my Choro-Qs yet. This is a standard chrome 5-spokes, but that's new, the Dunlop. It's a metallic paint scheme, and then yeah, again, I think maybe the cockpit is a separate piece of plastic, yes. Alright, this one just says number 21, so maybe this is a regular, like, mainline type of release. There's a little exhaust tip part of the bottom base here. Oh, no, it's not a regular one because it says HG. Maybe that's like high grade? Please leave a comment if you know. I don't know what that means. Look, whoa, this is old, 1990. So, this might be the oldest Choro-Q I have yet. Alright. Does the motor still work? Wow, so the spring in this one, no, I mean it does work, I guess, never mind. But it does seem worn, the spring, compared to some of the other ones. Alright, well, still, pretty neat one. Okay. My little Bandai executioner's falling down. Alright, what do we have next? This one here, this yellow one. This is another HG type of model, and from 1998. This is a 25 GT Turbo. Smoked base. You got the clear canopy up there. So this one, the body, I think, might have been clear, and then they painted it all yellow. So I think this is actually all one piece of plastic. See, there's no gap here. So this is just a matter of them painting the clear plastic really well. There's a little sunroof there. I don't know why I can't hold this stuff. Silver license plate and headlights there. Unfortunately, not much extra paint, you know, other than that. There's this fuel filler. Well, at least it has taillights. Number 37. Alright, so maybe under. Okay. Alright, so the last one. What do we have here? This is another HG. This time it's painted gloss black. This is a GTR. What's it say? It's so glossy, I'm having a hard time. R34 in parentheses from 1999. And also, the copyright is 1999. Alright, so maybe in 1999 the R34 came out? I don't know. Leave a comment if you know. So this is interesting. The canopy's orange. And is it a separate piece or not? I think it's all one piece of plastic. See, I think it's orange right there. But they painted the whole body black. And then the headlights, and this one actually has turn signals, so that's nice. There's an R raised in the grille texture, but no additional paint, unfortunately. But it's nice to have some taillights painted on there red. And then this is number 60 of the HG grade or whatever. And then all these things seem to be running the same 5 spokes, just different colors. This is raw gray, you got white, and the other two are chrome. Alright, so let's compare to a couple of 64 scale cars. I only have 2 that I'm going to be able to pull out. So I have an R32. So I'll put that next to the R32 there. And then I have this 25 GT Turbo. This is the GT Turbo is by Kyosho. This plastic one is by F Toys of all things, like a gashapon company. But I did a wheel swap. Those are those Word C alloy wheels, so that's why it looks nicer. But the actual plastic body is pretty good by F Toys. Pretty impressive, really. Alrighty. I'm gonna have to get a real R34 in 1/64 scale, like true scale, but I just haven't gotten around to it yet. Alright, I guess these guys can go. I gotta put my little Bandai Stormtrooper up here. Okay, and then show you those other. This is a 25 GT Turbo, and that's an R34. So you want to pause the video and compare it to those photographs. But you know, it's these are cartoon cars, so I just do it just to see how good they can get the front ends and the rear ends, but everything in between is totally out of proportion. Alright, well, appreciate you guys watching again. So stay tuned until the next ChoroQs come in. Thanks.